YouTube, got some sad breaking news. This is your boy Big Phil from Big Phil Speaks, coming to you somberly to let you know that basketball legend, superstar Kobe Bryant, along with 6 other people, I believe it is, have been killed in a horrific, tragic helicopter accident. TMZ, I think, are one of the first places to report it, but various news sites have said yes, indeed, it's so. They've confirmed it with their sources that Kobe Bryant, NBA legend and superstar, was killed in a horrific helicopter accident over Calabasas, California. The details are still coming in sketchy. Emergency personnel responded to the scene where there was a fire, and they indeed confirmed Kobe Bryant, as well as everyone else that was on the helicopter, have all passed away. My heart and my prayers goes out to the Bryant family, to each and every fan of the Los Angeles Lakers, basketball in general, and the world abroad. Today is a sad day for sports and humanity. Go and hug somebody you love. Tell them you love them. That's all I can say. I holla.